Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, and welcome if you're new. I'm Josephine. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful top. If this is what you like to learn, watch this video to the end. Thank you. So this is me folding my fabric into two. Then I'll go ahead and check my measurement. For the length, I'm using 27 plus 6 inches, which made it 33 inches. So you just take your full length measurement of the top, then you add either 5 or 6 inches. And for the wideness, I use 23. Please don't use 23. It made the cowl neck very deep. So you can either use 15 or 16. That's after folding it, 15 or 16. You also add your folding allowance at the lower part. So at the side of the folding, I'm going to go ahead and mark the 5 or 6 inches I asked you to add to your length. So I added 6 inches. I'm going to go ahead, mark it, then I'll use my scissors to notch that particular place. After notching, from that place I notch, I'm going to mark downward 9 inches and I'll also notch it. That is my armhole measurement. So from the 6 inch or 5 inch, you mark downward your armhole measurement, then you notch it also. From the 9 inches you notch, you take your tape and take the measurement downward. Whatever you get, that is the same measurement you're going to use in cutting the back. That's the length. Then you add 2.5 inch for your folding allowance. So this is it. I'll go ahead and take the measurement. After getting the measurement, I'm going to mark it. Then I'll also go ahead and mark 2.5 inches for the folding. I'll use 1 inch for folding at the lower part and 1.5 inch for the upper part because I'm going to be passing an elastic band. So this is it. After I'm done cutting it, I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll fold the down part by 1 inch and the upper part by the 1.5, and I'm going to pass my elastic band through it. Then I'll bring it for us to see. This is the front. I'm going to be folding the 6 inches I notched earlier inward so that I can pass the rope to the armhole. So I'm going to fold the 6 inches like so. After folding it inward like so, I'm going to go ahead and bring the rope I've already sewn in form of a bias. I left 9 inches open so that I'm going to be passing it from that 6 inches to the 9 inches notch I notched earlier. So this is it. I left that side open. So I'm going to be passing it from the 6 inch down to the 9 inch. Just watch the way I pass it. I'll just place it at the middle. Just place it at the middle of the opening. I'll do that. Take it to my sewing machine and sew on it like this. I'll do the same thing to the other side, and I'll bring it back for us to see. This is the back. I've gone ahead to hem the lower part and also the upper part, and I also pass my elastic band. To get the measurement for your elastic band, you divide your waist measurement by 2. I've also gone ahead to attach the rope to the front. This is it. I'm going to be placing the back piece on the front piece like so. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine. From the lower part, I'll sew it by 1 inch to that 9 inch armhole I mark. I'll do the same thing to the other side and I'll bring it back for us to see. This is it after I'm done sewing. Our top is very much ready. If you watch this video up to this part, thank you guys so much. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, please subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.